Okay, so what we've done is we've embedded a PDF into this whiteboard, and once you've got it in there, you can lock it in place. Good idea to lock it in place, and if you want to unlock it, you just hold on to that. So now it's unlocked, which means I can move it around. But we don't really want to do that, so let's lock it in place, and now it just acts like it's part of the whiteboard. You can then look through all the different pages, and once you found the page that you want, or the pages that you want, you can extract those. So that's what we're going to do now. So we've done from question 1 to 11, and so I'm going to extract this page. Whoops. Hang on a second. Okay, so I'm going to extract. So extract pages. Okay. Why is it doing that? Extract? No. Extract. Extract those pages, and it's 22. And I'm trying to work out how to do lots of pages. So let's say if I type 2. No. Okay, I'm not sure how to extract a few pages. What about if I do a comma? No, it looks like you can only extract one or many pages. So I'm going to extract all for this video, just to show you how to do it all. Oh, wait, look. Let's have a dash. Okay, so 22, maybe I just need to finish it, then 32. Okay, cool. So there you go. So this should extract 22 to 32. If we zoom out, they're going to start to appear, hopefully. There they are. Okay, now what we're going to do as well is we're going to lock these. So if we zoom out, it's got them all in a line like that, and then we could move these around if we wanted to, but let's just keep them the way they are. So then I'll probably want to lock these as well. And again, you can unlock and move them around if you want to, but by locking...
How do you do that? Mine only has like a page.
So once you've gone back to that, once you've extracted that, then you can.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Then you can draw on all this. Right. Let me just stop that.
I don't know what page this is. Oh, page 20.